Hey everyone, this is EvoFox One S Controller, and in this video I will show you how you can connect this to mobile, laptop and MacBook using Bluetooth and dongle, because many of you guys are having issues connecting into different devices. So in today's video we are going to clear everything in detail. So let's start without wasting any time. You can connect this controller using Bluetooth or dongle. I will show you both methods to connect. First, let's connect it to the mobile. Now turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Now press A and home button. Now LED will start blinking. Now go to a Bluetooth setting. You will see the controller name appear. Click and just pair. Here you can see the LED has stopped blinking. Now it has successfully connected. I will show you some gameplay using this. The connection stays stable with no input lag. Now for Windows laptop or PC, the easiest way to connect is using the dongle. So here you can see I am connecting the dongle. Now press left and home button. LED will start blinking and is connected. No driver, no setup needed. It works instantly. Here you can see the controller is working. This method is very easy for PC games because it gives very less input delay. If you don't want to use dongle to connect, you can also use the Bluetooth mode to connect it to your laptop. Just turn on your Bluetooth. Now press X and home button. Now go to your Bluetooth settings and select wireless Xbox controller. You can also connect this controller to your MacBook. Just go to the Bluetooth, turn on. Now press Home and X button on your controller. Now blue light will start blinking. After that, connect to your Xbox wireless controller. Connect. And it has connected. The LED has stopped blinking. The controller is still smooth even in MacBook. So now I have shown you different methods to connect. So which connection should you use? For mobile and MacBook, Bluetooth is perfect. For Windows PC gaming, the dongle gives the best performance. That's how you can connect this controller to mobile, laptop and MacBook using different methods. If you are planning to buy one, check the link in the description. Like the video if this helped you, subscribe for more simple text video, and I'll see you in the next one.